A folder is a file. A folder is not a file itself. You can see it's not a file itself, but contains a file such as word processing, document, videos, and software. On a computer desktop, it represents by an icon that looks like a familiar tab. So that is a folder. A folder is not a file by itself, but contain a file such as word processing document. So you can see it now, videos and software. So that is the meaning of what? A folder. Okay, let's
by an icon that looks like a familiar tab. A container where many files.
See, in programming, a folder is a storage space or container where many files can be placed into a group and organize the computer. A folder can also contain other folder. So that is what we have to know. The practical class commences immediately. For the sake of our viewers at home, this is how to create a folder. The procedure involved: 1. In your computer, open a Visual Studio, which now you have to install a Visual Studio Code. 2. You click on a file. 3. Navigate to open folder and click new folder. In that new folder, type a name. The name can be any name. You can use any name as a folder name. Give a folder a name. So that is how you can create a folder, mainly as a beginner. Yes, as a beginner, this is the method you can use to create a folder. That is the procedure. You can see you have to navigate to Visual Studio Code, which now you have to install it first in your computer. Now she has created a folder. She has given a folder name by name Excel. That is the name she has given to the folder. Alright, in 5, you select the folder, navigate to a new file. At the top left, you will see name. You will see some name. Okay, you will see some boxes. Point at the first box. So that first box is what you have to point. Then new file and click. The 7th, type your file name. Example of file name can be hscs1.html, but you can use any name. You get it? This one is just an example. Then finally, click or press enter. Okay. The practical commence immediately. This is starting. You can see this coding class. I'm going to consider how to check the web page. You can see the procedure. That is the condition involved. You click on file, navigate to open file, and click 3, open file. The open file will appear, then your web page file will be displayed with their names. So place your pointer at the latest work and right click it. As I said, for navigate to open with, then also navigate to your web browser. It depends on the web browser you are using, and click. No, your web browser will be displayed on your screen. So if you are using Google Chrome, no problem. If you are using Mozilla, it depends on what you are using as your web browser. See what she's doing, the practical aspect of it. You can see our training here is one-on-one. Drop down your phone. Keep down your phone. These are the two new coding students.
I do.
Okay. Has involved the body. From the body we have H4, the paragraph. H4, the paragraph. And as she opened the paragraph, he has to close the paragraph as well. Okay, she's through with it now. Okay, let her move to web page and check. Let's see the result of her code. This is the first coding class she has attended. Let's have to check. As you can see, this is the web page, what she has been able to input. Okay, we have come to the end of our class for today. Do you have any question to ask?
No, sir.
All right, we stop there for today.